Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to add a scroll text widget to our application. So first let's see what is scroll text. So this is the scroll text. So we can see that we can type and scroll bar is created here. This is the text box and we can scroll it. So this is the scroll text widget. Let's see how to add it to our application. First we have to import Tkinter as Tk. From Tkinter import scroll text. Next we will create a class root. This is the subclass of Tk and f init self tk dot init self. Next we are going to set the title scroll text, self dot min size 600 400. Then we are going to create scroll text. Self and we can mention the width of the scroll text, that is 50. Scroll height is equal to 20. Then scroll text is equal to scrolled text dot scroll text self width is equal to scroll w. Height is equal to scroll h comma wrap is equal to tk dot word. Okay. Scroll text position of this scroll text, that is column is equal to 0, column span is equal to 3. are going to add this scroll text here, self dot. Let's copy this and paste here. Yeah, done. Then root object, root, then root dot main loop. So let's run this code. Let's see what happens. This is showing error that module Tkinter has no attribute word. This has to be in capital letters, word. So let's see now. Yeah, we can see the scroll text here. We can enter the text.